Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a portable ring light and you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's video, we're reviewing a ring light from the company UBeesize, and let me just say, if you're in the if you do like any photography or if you do any like videography like on TikTok or do makeup tutorials, definitely check this out, because let me just say it's gonna change your life when considering it's gonna make everything that you record a lot more brighter. And with this ring light, it does come with a nice little tripod that you can easily stand on the table, which is also a really nice feature. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if it's your first time tuning into this YouTube channel. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow me on my various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you guys need to come and reach with me and stuff, you guys can do so by reaching me out with that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this ring light or get more information about this ring light, product information and also the link to purchase this ring light will be down below in the description for you guys to check out and get more information if you're considering making a purchase of this ring light. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. But as you guys can see, the packaging of this product is really simple. As I spin it around, it just gives the company's name. So what we need to do is actually move this over to a secondary camera angle so you guys can take a closer shot at this product. What we need to do is actually open up this flap, pull back, just like so. And I want to face it onto its side just like this, and we're just going to pull out all the contents of this box. So let me kind of take them out one by one. It looks like inside this box it comes with all of our accessories for this ring light. As you guys can see, we have the collapsible portable tripod that they included, that you guys can actually place the ring light on, and you can actually extend the legs. So if you want to place this onto the table, you guys can easily do so with this tripod that they included. We also get a phone holder, so you guys can actually place your phone into this ring light. So you guys can actually turn this around. If you turn this knob that's on the back side, you can face it portrait or landscape depending on whatever you're trying to capture, and also like what platform you may be using this with. The last few things inside this box is our DC power brick to actually give power to this ring light. Cable is pretty long. We also got our remote control that you guys can use to actually take pictures with the ring light. You just have to connect the Bluetooth to this remote control to actually utilize and use it. It looks like there is one last box that's inside this box. What I'm going to do is actually open up this box and we're going to take a look at the ring light. So all you need to do is pull back just like so, open up, and it looks like the ring light is actually in a bubble wrap kind of bag. And we're going to take this ring light out. The ring light itself is 10 inches, so it's pretty big. It covers a pretty decent, if you know anything about circumferences and stuff, 10 inches isn't too bad. But as you guys can see with the secondary camera angle, this is everything that's actually included with the packaging. I did forget to show you guys the operating instructions, but this will give you guys, a basic rundown on how to actually set up this ring light. But as you guys can see, this is the ring light. This is where you would put like, your phone into, like the phone holder, or you can even put DSLR cameras and action cameras onto, just anything that has a threaded base you can actually attach with this ring light. And then we also got like our buttons, like power on and off, or a brightness up button, or different types of lights, like the warm light, cool light, and medium light, and then also our brightness down button on the side right here. And then we also get, you know, a threaded base for the bottom to actually connect this onto your tripod. And the good thing about this is I could actually connect this with any tripod, so you don't actually have to use the tripod that's included, which is really nice to see with this ring light. So all that's left to do now is move over to the testing and demonstration portion where we actually test out this ring light. So the first thing that we're gonna do is actually set up this ring light before we give power to it. So in order to actually set up this ring light, what we're gonna do is actually open up this tripod, as you guys can see with my secondary camera angle. Now it's fully extendable, and what we're gonna do is actually set the ring light on top of this tripod. So what I need to do is take this and kind of just screw it in, and what you need to do is kind of turn it around a few times until it is secured right into this tripod. It is now perfectly onto this tripod. And hopefully you guys can actually see this with my camera setup, but I'm just gonna face the ring light right here. And then in order to actually put on the phone clip, what you need to do is attach it like here and do the same thing where you kind of turn it around a few times until it fits perfectly in. And now I think we are ready to go. So if I wanted to now, I can actually extend this part of this ring light and actually put my phone into it. So right now if I place my phone in, just like so, it should be able to fit perfectly inside. So let me just fit inside my phone. This ring light is ready to go, as you guys can see, with this camera angle and this camera angle. So all that's left to do now is give power to this ring light so we can actually see the overall quality and overall experience that this ring light has to offer. So you need to take your DC cable that is included with the packaging and unwrap it. And what I'm gonna do is kind of untangle this and plug it into my power supply. So I have this connected to a power source, and now all that's left to do is take the other end of the power cable and plug it into the side of this ring light. So I'm gonna plug it in, and I don't know if you guys can see this. I'll show you guys with this camera angle. There is a blue light that's on, and in order to actually turn on this ring light, all you need to do is click on this power on button. And you guys can see the ring light is currently on. And let me just say, even with my studio lights on, it does make a difference. It makes me look a lot more, I don't know, it just makes me look a lot better, you know? But what I'm gonna do is actually, I'm gonna turn off all my lights down so you guys can actually see this ring light's full capability with the brightness of the light. So with my lights kind of dimmed now, you guys can see how bright and effective this ring light really is. You know, if I was doing like a live stream right now, or if I was doing like TikTok, or I was just kind of talking to my audience or doing anything sort of like that, you know, I can get a nice kind of ambient kind of glow around me. This ring light actually has 5 different color settings. So right now we're actually out at the warmest setting that this ring light is able to produce. This is like semi-warm, but it's starting to get cool. This is like the medium, so this is mixing the warm and cool. Now we're starting to get into the more cool, and if I click it again, this is the coolest light you're gonna get with this ring light. And what I mean by cool is not like it's cool, but like, you know, the color that's bringing out is like a bluish kind of cool. Okay, so this was the warmest, and then if I click it again, click it again, click it again, click it again, this is the coolest. So that's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. There is different color temperatures with this ring light. So right now it's decreasing the brightness, and you guys can see now it's basically non-existent. Increase it back up, and now you guys can see it's going back up to where it was. And let me show you guys this on the primary camera angle. You guys can see how effective this ring light really is. A lot of YouTubers, a lot of just people who want to get professional content out there do use these kind of things. So if you're in the market or you're looking for a ring light, definitely check this out, as it is really portable and minimalistic, and honestly it doesn't even take up a lot of space. And I also like that they included this portable tripod. But honestly, I'm very impressed with the overall output that this ring light is bringing. Let me just tell you guys, you know, back in the day when I shot my tech reviews, I had no lighting kits, no studio lights and anything. And let me just tell you, if you want to make your videos look more presentable, your pictures more presentable, lighting is the #1 step. Don't need to upgrade your cameras, don't need to upgrade your phones. Make sure you have sufficient lighting. Let me tell you, that makes a huge difference right now, you know? If you don't have good lighting, your videos and your photos will not turn out good. And let me just say, this ring light does a fantastic and decent job of lighting up this whole area. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the final reflections and remarks and then end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this UBeesize ring light? To be fair, I'm really impressed with the overall output, and I love the overall like minimalistic packaging that this ring light takes. You know, it doesn't really take a lot of space, so it means I can easily take this on the go and use it whenever and wherever I want to use it. You know, I know a lot of social influencers and stuff use these kind of things to enhance the quality of videos, and you guys can do so with this cheap ring light that does the job really nicely. So if you're in the market for a ring light, definitely check this out. It is a 10-inch ring light, so you know, depending on whatever camera gear you're using, just make sure it'll be able to fit in. But for most people, your phone should fit in and DSLR cameras should fit in. But honestly, I'm overall really impressed with the output of this ring light. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this ring light, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys enjoyed this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as I greatly informs me and keeps me updated. If you guys are enjoying this tech series, follow me on my various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@l.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you guys have any inquiries or about this product or need any assistance, you guys can do so by contacting me through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this ring light, product information and also the link to purchase this ring light will be down below in the description for you guys to check out and also get more information about this ring light. But overall, you know, you're getting a really good product here. There's really nothing to complain about with this product. You know, it's just a basic light that does the trick if you want to enhance your quality in your videos and photos that you may take. So, with that being said, that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.